Hello friends, I am Zishan and today we are going to learn how to filter 2-week lookahead schedule in Primavera. But before that we should know what exactly the 2-week lookahead schedule is. 2-week lookahead schedule is nothing but a planning tool that a planning manager used to plan and track the work that need to be done in next 2 weeks. It is basically a condensed form of your project schedule, and it comprises of the activities like the activity which you are going to start in next 2 weeks, the activity which you are going to complete in next 2 weeks, the additional resources which is required to complete this start these new activities in next 2 weeks, and what is the status of the ongoing activities. So these all detail you will find in a 2-week look at schedule. So basically these tool will help you to find out the potential issues for upcoming activities, and you can prior to the start of the activity you can find a you can take a corrective action to solve these issues. So now we'll go to Primavera and we'll see how we can, how step by step I'll tell you how to make that filter of 2-week look ahead. So I'll open my Primavera P6. So once you will open it, the window will come like this because we are in activity window. So you go to the filters, add a new filter, and you put where start of the activity is within the range of value is data date, and high value is data date plus 2 week. Again add one more filter and one more condition where the finish is within the range of same condition, data date and data date plus 2 week. Again add one more criteria, that is activity status is equal to in progress. Now you see that what we have put is where start and that is all this criteria will fulfill, then only this filter will work. But it is not so. It is like any of this particular criteria is fulfilled, it will take those activity in its 2-week lookahead schedule. So for that you have to change all of the following to any of the following. So criteria should be any of this following, any of this out of these three, any of the criteria is fulfilled, means it will take that activity in its 2-week lookahead schedule. We apply and apply. So this is your 2-week lookahead schedule. But now if you see, okay, so this is our 2-week lookahead schedule basically. But sometimes it will directly come to the data date, which is not correct. So you can make a little change so that your filter will look good. Go here, modify it, and first of all what I forget is you change the filter name, make it 2-week look ahead schedule, and then here you can make here W represent week, that is already identified by the Primavera. This is how it is mentioned. So you put W is represent as week. Now you apply So now it will show 1 week prior to data date. So in that way you will have a clarity already, or else it will come exactly at the edge of data date, which is that the 2 week lookalike will not look that good. That is why you should always put data date minus 1 week and then data date plus 2 weeks. So once you apply, so it is our 2 week lookalike. So whatever the activities we are going to start in next 2 weeks, it all activities will capture in this filter. Now we will take a print preview. We will go to print preview. Now if you see here that no activities is showing in July 23, July means it is showing that current years. So nothing is coming in our Gantt chart. So for that we again will go to this page setup option, go to option, then you see here time scale start. Here you make it as data date, time scale start as data date minus 1 week, and time scale finish as data date plus 2 weeks, and then apply. So you see here all these activities, because as we have changed that our this window of that start and end, it is showing that in Gantt chart it is showing what are the ongoing activities which are going to start in next 2 weeks, and then you can take a print out from here. Desktop minus 2 week set. So this is like for 2 week look ahead. Same way you can make it make for 2 month look ahead or 2 year look ahead. Basically 2 year is like very big span, so or 2 days look ahead, anything you can make, or 10 days look ahead, 20 days look ahead, or so like if you want to make a 2 month look ahead schedule directly, just you have to modify here is instead of 1W you make it as 1 month. It will take it as month here. This is how it is defined. So M is represent month. You just change week as month, and it will be changed to 2 week look ahead to 2 month look ahead schedule. So whatever the activity is going to start in next 2 months, everything it will take here. Now one more thing, if you see here in your print preview, it is not showing, like it is very difficult to find out that which month it is coming, activities and all. You should have a dotted line or a dark line to segregate month from one month to other month. So for that what you can do is you go here, right click, go to bar chart option, go to straight lines, then then click here that show major line every. Now for that dotted line you can make it as month wise, and for minor line, major line is for month and minor line is for week. And then if you see here, this is now if you take the print view, you see the dotted line and the dark line is showing here. We'll change the filter as well. We go here, make that option as, now we have made the filter as 2 month look ahead schedule. So accordingly we have to change the time scale also here for print option. So now you can see that is showing for the month. You see here it's very congested, so what you can do is go here, right click, time scale, and then you make it as month and week. Instead of weekday, we'll change it to month and week. Now if you go to print option, print preview option, you see here, so easily can find out. So this is how you can filter the 2 week lookout or 2 month lookout plan. You can take a print, set up print preview, take a print and distribute it to all the project team so that they can also go through all the ongoing activities, and accordingly they can make a prerequisite and any arrangement, prerequisite arrangement to start those activities. Thank you very much.